Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now you might receive queries or messages on Facebook Messenger from your client's customer or leads frequently. Now you want that in a place a systematic record of all the messages should be created, and adding all the messages from your messenger to your Google Sheets manually is a time consuming part. You might have to hire someone in order to manage such a thing, or it's just an extra task for you. Then I have a simple solution. Let me show you how automatically whatever message I send from my different account to my Facebook business account, automatically how the record of that message is added in my Google Sheets. Let me show you. So this is a different account, and now using this account on my Facebook page, that is Digital Dynamics, I will send my message. So my message is, hey, what kind of service do you provide? I will send this message towards my business page from a different account. Let me show you what is this account. The account is in the name of Joe Daniels. So now let me open my Google Sheets. And in my Google Sheets, you can see the sender's name is Joe Daniels and the message is, hey, what kind of service do you provide? So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Now without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing automation. I am going to create this amazing setup using Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect and the landing page of Pabbly Connect is going to appear in front of you. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks to test out this automation that I'm creating in this video right away. You can test out automations and features of Pabbly Connect just by signing up for free, as you will receive 100 free tasks every month. Now, after testing, if you want to automate your other business workflows using Pabbly Connect, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans. And I have a secret gift for you. The code that you can see on the left side of the screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime deals. So go ahead, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. Sign in and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect just like this. In order to create a new amazing automation, go towards this create workflow button. Now I will be creating the workflow using the new AI tool creator inside Pabbly Connect. If you want, you can create the workflow from scratch as well, but I will create it using an AI. Now in AI, we have to give the prompt of what kind of workflow do you want. You will get the entire setup accordingly. So over here, write the described prompt. My prompt is create an automation workflow where every new Facebook Messenger message is automatically captured and saved as a new row in Google Sheets. So this is my prompt where I explained what I exactly want. I will share this prompt with this AI right over here, and you will see firstly it is asking for me to set up my trigger, which is Facebook Messenger, and my event is going to be new message sent to the page. Then what I want to add that message to this recommended event, that is add new row. Now whenever I will receive a new message, automatically will be added to the new row of my Google Sheet. So I've set up that, and yes, this is the exact automation that I want. Now if you want any of the changes, you can go towards this edit section, enter what you want to change, and you will get the new workflow accordingly. But no, I don't want to do that. I want this exact workflow. So I will approve and create this workflow from here and open the workflow in a new tab, and you will see the AI has generated me the exact template that I wanted, that is Facebook Messenger, new message sent to page, to Google Sheets, add new row. Now let us set up this entire trigger right here. My first of all trigger is Facebook Messenger. Now my trigger application is Facebook Messenger, event is this. Now we have to create the connection between Facebook Messenger and Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this add new connection option. Click on this connect with Facebook Messenger option. This is the account with the help of which I have created my Facebook page. So I'm going to continue with this account from here as well as from here, as this is a safe process. And as you will see, automatically Facebook Messenger, your Facebook account, is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. After this connection has been created, we have to select the page on which you are receiving your business queries. I have created a page in the name of Digital Dynamics where I receive multiple queries from my leads customers. So I will select over here as Digital Dynamics. I want the simple response and simply click on this save and send test request button where I've received the message waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook Messenger is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will simply send a new message from a different account to my Facebook page and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of that message that I've forwarded or not. Okay, so let me open my Facebook account, my different account. So this is the different account, and towards this account from Facebook Messenger message, I will send the message, I loved your services and my business is doing great now, thank you. So I have forwarded this message on my Facebook Messenger. Now let me go back to my workflow and show you whether the response of this message has been captured in the trigger or not. So let me go back to my workflow, and as I've done that, you will see I've received this response, which is a positive response, is the ID, this was the page. If I'll further scroll down, you can see the same message has been captured over here in my trigger. So as now the message has been captured, Facebook Messenger is connected to Pabbly Connect. And yes, you can see right over here, I have received the message on my page, Michael Karras, on my Facebook account. And this is the same message, that is, I loved your service and my business is doing great now, thank you. So as now the response has been captured in the trigger, this means that Facebook Messenger is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as the connection has been created, let us set up our action, that is Google Sheets, add new row. For that, click on this connect button. I will teach you how you can add a new connection. For that, click on this sign in with Google button. Now this is the account with the help of which I have created my spreadsheet. So I will select this account from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Firstly, we need to select the spreadsheet where I want to keep the record. So I've created a spreadsheet in the name of Facebook Messages. So I'll go back and select the spreadsheet, that is Facebook Messages, and the sheet is in the name of sheet 1. Okay. After selecting the spreadsheet and the sheet, next is sender name and the message text. These are the two headers you can see right over here, and it will appear like this. Now for the data of the fields, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field, add a slash, previous step is going to appear where I've received the sender's name, that is Michael Karras. Okay, so this account has forwarded me the message, so I'm going to select this sender's name right over here. As I've selected this name from my previous response, the data has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of this ID that I have, this message that I've received right over here. So as I've done that, then I'm going to click on this even send test request button where I've received this response, and you will see in the Google Sheets the record of this message has been created successfully. So as now the record has been created, this is how simple it is to create the setup between these two applications. Now whenever you will receive a new message on your Facebook Messenger on your business page, automatically the record of all the messages will be created in your Google Sheets, and you don't even have to lift up your finger for doing that task. So if you have questions or doubts related to the setup, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. The code is added in the description section as well. Use that and get instant discounts. And the workflow link is also attached in the description section. Go ahead and use it. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.